to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Brunette Wig Place. I am so glad that you are here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and you'll get a notification every time I post a new wig related video. So today I am wearing a human hair wig that I purchased from Fortune Wigs from their outlet. And I bought this wig a while ago. I've had it for a while, and they have an app for their outlet. And so they have discounted pieces on there, and if you follow their Instagram, they'll tell you, oh, we just put this on the outlet, that on the outlet, and they have some really great prices on there. And I was kind of wanting to try one of their wigs because a few of my friends had reviewed for them, and the wigs just look beautiful, the hair looks beautiful, you know. So I purchased this one on the outlet, and then when I got it, I felt like it was way too much hair for me. And so I decided I was going to sell it. So I tried to sell it and it didn't sell. I had a lot of questions, a lot of inquiries, but you know, I wasn't going to just sell it for nothing. I mean, I didn't just pay nothing for it, but anyway, so it ended up not selling, and I tried it on again and played around with it. And I just realized that I think what I need to do is I just need to have it, you know, thinned out. I need to thin it out a little bit, and I need to have my hair adjuster layer it just a little bit. And then I think I'm gonna be really happy with it. I think. I mean, like, looking at it on camera right now, I love the way it looks, to be honest. So I don't know. You guys will have to tell me. You'll have to give me your opinions of what you think. But anyway, and I'll show you when I do the styling. I absolutely love, there's one style I can do with this that I love doing with it. So this wig is actually, this is their Mazali basic wig, and the color on her is 10-6-8, so it's a blend of those colors. And when I take it out in the sun, you can see a little shimmer of different color, but it's pretty much a straight blend, kind of a just really pretty auburny brown, you know, very pretty color. And it has a silk top, so I've never shown a wig with a silk top to you guys before, so I wanted to do a review of her and show her, and I have decided I'm going to keep her because I do like her. So so there's that silk top. So you have actually an appearance of skin on that scalp. I don't want to get too close to where you can't see it, but there's what that looks like. So she does not have a lace front. This is considered a shadel, I think is the way you say it, wig, or a Jewish wig. You might have heard it called a Jewish wig. But, so no lace front, but you know, the way the hair lays, no lace front needed. It does not bother me that it does not have a lace front. And when I show you how I like to style it, you'll see it's a really great ponytail wig, and it works great with a headband around the edge of the pony. So great, like, you know, exercising or just errand running, you know, when you want to just throw your hair up or whatever. Great wig for that. And that is an advantage with this, you know, thin cap construction that it has. So I really like that. So this particular wig, like I said, I bought it on their outlet. So if you go to the app store for your phone, you can just go, you know, just search Fortune Outlet, and a little kind of shopping bag will come up. And that is their app. Actually, I will snap a screenshot maybe of what it looks like, and I'll insert it right here when I do the editing. So so you know what to look for. But it was really easy for me to find. So they list different pieces on there, and I saw this and I was like, oh, I wanted to try those. So I decided I would try it, and I got it at a really, really great price. So the outlet is a great place to find, you know, one of their wigs, and some of them are gently used and some of them are returns. This particular one was brand new, and I don't know what the story is, but it does have a small cap, so I don't know if maybe it was ordered and then the order was canceled or something like that. But anyway, someone's loss was my gain, so because it was at a great discounted price. So really, really cute, just gorgeous hair. I mean, beautiful hair. So anyway, let me do a turn and you can see it all the way around. So here is the front, my right side, the back, left side, and then back around the front. So like I said, there is no lace front. So that's something to think about, you know. They do have a headband that's like a velvet headband. It's called a wow band. and it actually has a lace front, and you can purchase that in addition to it if you want to. I thought I was gonna purchase one, and then I decided I don't think I need to. I'm fine with the way the hair hangs, and even when I pull it back, you know, I like that. Another thing I was kind of unsure of is it doesn't really have ear tabs. So you can see how that cap is right there. But again, it doesn't really bother me. I have found, you know, I can tuck it behind the ear, and it looks okay to me. I mean, it doesn't bother me any. So, but that is something, you know, something I just want to note as I'm talking about the wig. So let me pop it off and pop her off, and I will show you the inside of the cap. So it does come, this particular one does come with a little comb in the front. I don't really need it. I mean, sometimes I kind of scoot it under my wig cap. So, but I don't really need it. It's got this closed lace here because on the other side of that is that silk top. So underneath that. So again, no real ear tabs, but I don't really feel like it needs them. It's got an extended nape and hook adjusters. The rest of the cap is closed wefted, as you can see. So mono top there, mono silk top. So as opposed to a mono lace top. So let me throw her back on here. As you can see, this is when you can really see that she is a lot of hair. And she came with a center part, and I washed her. Actually, this is what she looks like when she's drying. She dries wavy. So just so you can see that for a moment. You know, people always want to know. And then I just went through, so I let her dry, and then I just went through and just kind of curled the ends. And I love how she just has a really pretty wave. But when I show the hair kind of underneath, you can, well, still it has the curl in it. You know, you can just kind of get the idea that it has just a slight, you know, you can see that wave like I showed in that picture. So she's really, really pretty. Well, let's take her outside and we can look at the color outside, and then I'll show you the style that I like so much on her. Okay, I am outside with this Mazali basic wig from Fortune Wigs, so you can see that silk top. I love that appearance, you know, where it just looks like a skin top. And then this color is that 1068. Really pretty auburny brown. Take her out by the pool. I just think it looks pretty, you know, you get more light out here, so. So there again is that silk top. Here's the front without the lace, so you have to decide if that's your thing or not. Gorgeous hair. Okay, we'll take her back inside. Okay, I am back inside, so you can see that really pretty 1068 color out there on this Fortune wig. So I have this hanging around my neck because I went ahead and put her in a ponytail, but I wanted to show her in just a pony. She looks really, really cute, and she is great for a ponytail. This, I don't know, without the ear tabs and without like any kind of bulk from any kind of lace front, she just lays really flat, and she makes a great ponytail wig. And then these little headbands are from Gardo, and I'm going to be getting a review out on them soon as well. I have reviewed them on my Instagram, but I'm going to actually show them in a video. These are called clutch headbands, and this wig works so well with these clutch headbands. So just really, really cute, you know, for exercising, running errands, whatever, you know. So she just looks super cute like that. So that is the thing that kind of sold me on. I was like, okay, I'm going to keep her. I love her. I don't know why I wanted to get rid of her. So anyway, so let me take her out of the ponytail. So other than that, you know, you can style her. I mean, you've got a ton of hair. So, you know, you can just clip her up. You could put her half up, half down. You know, just you can do braiding. You have a lot of hair, so you have a lot of options of different things to do with her. So you could even put her in some little pigtails if you wanted to do her, you know, half and half in some little tails one on each side. That would be really cute. I don't know how that looks in the back. So, you know, she's just really, really pretty. And the hair on her is Remy human hair. I don't know if I mentioned that. And it says on their website that it's double drawn. So, but the Remy hair, the cuticle is intact. So the cuticles are all running the same direction. So you're not going to have little frizzy flyaways. And believe me, she's just absolutely fabulous, beautiful hair. So anyway, so if I do any thinning or get any layers put in her or anything like that, I will pop back on and I will re-review her. I'm still trying to decide if I want to do that or not. So anyway, I just wanted to show her to y'all today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.